Wherever you go today, you see cigarette butts on the ground. For example, on the beach, at the sea, in rivers and in public places such as parks. This is something we know contributes to the destruction of the environment, but perhaps not to what extent. One might think that cigarette butts consists of paper, so they eventually break down into soil. But this is not the case, because all cigarette butts today also contains a form of plastic, which unfortunately also contributes to the world's plastic waste problems. It affects both terrestrial and marine animals in different ways. Animals may think it's food and eventually eat so much that it stops their digestion. And if the cigarette butts are not taken care of, they will be broken down into smaller plastic particles. These particles have the ability to bind to environmental toxins that the animals then ingest, and this of course affects the animals negatively. And in the worst case, it can even lead to death. In some cases, the particles with the toxins can get so far up the food chain that they reach us humans. This is something we must prevent together and find new solutions to. One suggestion could be that you somehow demand a deposit on the cigarette butts, just like we do with cans and bottles today. Or strengthen the laws and fines for littering cigarettes. In any case, we must do something now. Otherwise, the oceans will soon contain more cigarette butts than fish.